All right, this one is $4.20 box. Now, I can do boxes with any style, but this one happens to have the $4.20 hippie chick vibes. Beautiful hand-painted meditating sloth. Look at that treasure. Malachite bracelet. Little pink sparkle bracelet. Criscola earrings. I'm probably butchering the name of that stone. Mushroom bracelet. Beautiful glass lamp work. Mushroom on there. Let's see, what's this? Peace symbol charm bracelet. I don't know if you can see the leaves on this ring. Necklace with that same mushroom. Earrings. Now, you won't always get matching set, but those are pretty close. These are handmade. Most of the jewelry in here is handmade. Box is hand painted. Beautiful butterfly. Oh, I really like this one. Bone butterfly on a pink leather cord. Bone peace symbol necklace. Look at that. Palm seed necklace. Those palm seeds have beautiful, like lightning designs through them. Let's see. Oh, here's another bracelet. Beautiful beaded leather. Hummingbird. And keychain. No, it's upside down. Life is tough, but so are you. Little squirrel, because there's a little squirrel in all of us, isn't there? Let's see what we got for stickers here. Some more little dragons. Oops. Can't seem to hang on to them. Magic mushrooms. Sugar skull. Little fox. And of course this box is lined. All hand done. One more look at that. Such a beautiful box. And if you had to buy all these items separately, it would cost you $180. But buying mystery jar with all this in it would be see, $85. And that gives you a total of $95 profit. And look at that box. Hand painted. It's gorgeous stash box. If you would like to order anything, you can contact me. And thank you.